Just letting your back relax, your arms sink into the blanket. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. You can tap the elbows forward just a little bit. Let that stretch, lengthen underneath the arms. Feel the sit bones moving back. It's your hips, your back, lengthening. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You can straighten up the arms. Good. And walk the fingers over to the right. All the way over, hip off the mat. Find the leg through that left side body. Good. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale to the other side. Good. Just letting it breathe right into the low back. Inhale. Long exhale out through the mouth. Great. Inhale, come back to center. Awesome. Good. And then take the blanket out. I'm going to take it out for you. And then turn the palms upward. You're going to bring the little pinkies to touch, opening up the hands, letting the head drop through, letting the shoulders expand up onto the back. Excellent. Good. We'll take another 3 breaths there. Put those to the side. One more breath. Good. Head comes up. Inhale. Exhale, come to all fours. Spread the fingers out, knees right underneath the hips. And just cat-cow. Play with the movement. You can explore and experiment up and down with your breath. Inhale. He likes yoga too. He's all chill. Yeah. Inhale. Lengthen through the chest, back through the sit bones. Exhale. Oh, spread out the wings, the back. Even some movement, rocking forward and back with the shoulders. Oh my goodness. Inhale. Exhale. A few more like that. Inhale. It's all about connecting with the breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Great. So then stabilize the shoulders right over the wrists, tuck the toes under, and just hover the knees. Yeah, feel the engagement of your center, your core. You can even rock a little bit. Feel the hips move back and the chest move forward. Push the ground away from you. And then up you go into your down dog.